Keeping your climbing rope clean is crucial for its longevity and your safety during climbs. A dirty rope can weaken over time and compromise performance. In this guide, we'll show you a simple step-by-step process to wash your red climbing rope. Start by gathering all necessary materials, including tendon rope cleaner. Carefully inspect the rope for frays, cuts, or dirt before cleaning. Set up a washing station with 1 bucket of water mixed with tendon rope cleaner and another bucket for rinsing. Loosely coil the rope to make washing and rinsing easier. Submerge the rope in the tendon rope cleaner solution and scrub gently to remove dirt. Rinse the rope thoroughly in clean water to remove all cleaning solution. Lay the rope in a shaded area to air dry completely. Avoid direct sunlight. Once dry, coil the rope neatly and store it in a rope bag to keep it clean and protected. And there you have it. Your red climbing rope is now clean, refreshed, and ready for your next adventure. Remember to inspect it regularly and clean it as needed to maintain its durability and safety. Happy climbing, and stay safe.